Hi, everybody. Well, today this video is to review of lesson 5 in our reading books. This is Elisa's diary. Um, the test for Elisa's diary for this lesson is going to be it's going to be available for you tomorrow, Thursday, and the due date is going to be Sunday night. But please, I would like to be able to grade these things over the weekend, or at least by Friday. That would be fantastic. So do not let this get to the very last moment and then miss the due date. The due date is going to be Sunday night regardless. Okay. So now for review. I've asked you guys so far to review by looking what you've done in the Journeys Reader's Notebook, and to reread Elisa's diary, and to study your vocabulary and spelling cities. So hopefully you have done all that. This is basically going to tell you the same thing, except we're going to go through the test, and I'm going to help you figure out what the shape of the test is going to be like, hopefully, since there's no anxiety, and you know what to study for. All right, so to begin, the first 10 questions are all vocabulary. The next 10 questions are comprehension. That means they're going to ask you questions about, actually it's the next 12 questions. They're going to ask you questions about the story Elisa's diary. So you need to be familiar. You need to familiarize with yourself with the story really well. Figure out what the theme of the story is. Okay. There are little boxes in there. I know we didn't have a chance to go over that, but actually the answer is it's pretty easy answer. So, all right. So those are the first 22. The first 10 of these are of comprehension are multiple choice. The last 2 are what they call essay questions. Please answer these in complete sentences. Okay. Answer them to the best of your abilities and in complete sentences. All right, that would be 21 and 22. Now we go into this thing called decoding. Do you guys remember the last couple of tests we had these things called decoding? And it's not something that we really study, but it's something that they assume that you need to know. They surprise you with it. It's kind of odd. I don't want to surprise you with it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about what it is. They're asking you to choose the best answer for where to put the emphasis in syllables. Now, if you think about the word syllables, okay, we have the word, let's just say elephant. Elephant. 3 syllables, right? Which one is emphasized? Do you go elephant, elephant, or elephant? The first syllable is emphasized. It is stressed. You stress that more when you say it. Okay, elephant. How about the word syllable? Syllable. 3 syllables. Which one is emphasized? Which one is stressed? Is it syllable? Syllable? That sounds silly. Syllable. The first syllable, again, is stressed in this. So you need to figure out which, they're asking you in decoding is, which syllable is stressed when you say it properly. Which syllable is going to be pronounced more than the others, okay? So hopefully you can get these down. This is decoding. Please practice that. That is the next 10. Now, the last 10 is grammar. Grammar, and we did making nouns plural. That was funny. In our Journeys Reader's Notebook, and I think on page 55, you guys want to start. They're talking about singular and plural nouns. That's exactly what they're talking about in here. They're singular and plural nouns. And even on the next page, page 56 in your Journeys Reader's Notebook, singular and plural nouns. So far, that's all we have here. These are still, again, they are multiple choice. They're all still multiple choice. So these are all, the rest of these are multiple choice, and they're asking you to define between plural and singular nouns. Okay? Now, that's the test. I hope to goodness that you guys are able to use this to help you prepare for successful completion of this exam. Okay? Good luck.